With the flick on my wrist, you gon' hear them bling. Ride with greats, I call, I say it. Go against me, you'd fold, I get it. We can roll with kings, don't fall asleep. We can roll with kings, don't fall asleep.
What is up, guys? Welcome to tonight's video. So tonight we're going to Mount Balagbag to test the cars of IZ and Kim, and Mark's car is here. We are waiting for Ab's car, and these are the boys: Mark, Joey, D5, Joe. This is the Jeep of Joey Boy. So we are still waiting for Ab and his friend. So we're currently setting up the radios.
6220.
So this boy is gonna roll over his brick.
Who knows? We might wreck this car.
Nakunod. We hope not. Hope all is gonna be just pure fun. So Alp already arrived at the meeting place. This is his rig with some minor upgrades. It's a newly bought car.
Haircut spec.
And this roll bar. Comment down below about this roll bar, if you like this roll bar or not.
Wala na. Hindi, ako na.
Ay, ikaw wala.
So
Yeah. Sup, dude? Ano ha?
I like his roll bar, dude. So we are now here at Mount Balagbag. So we are at the starting point of the trail, and we're now getting ready for the trail. The two Hilux will air down, and there's a douchebag coming in.
Fuck your mother!
Hi, Iman. Brody.
So, ito na, pangalawa na. Magpapalit lang. Mark, abante ka na rito sa harap ko na ni Kim.
Sir.
Bali, Mark, sa abante
Hi, sir.
sa harap na ng team. Sa gitna ka ng Hilux. Hindi mo ba tabi?
Ano yun?
What's up, bro? Brody. Bro, tab mo ah.
Hi guys! Enjoy!
So, wiwi muna bago umakyat. Hey! Let's see your ano.
Hey!
Let's see your
You see my dick?
big dick.
Hello po! Buzzhype!
Saka magandang gulong yung icing. Kaya. Ayun na, dumudulas na ako eh.
Pero maganda nga na naka 4x2 ka lang din para malaman natin.
Ito yung rats. Ito yung rats sila.
Status nila, mga kasama natin. Okay, lahat nakakaakyat. Okay, medyo i-intention ng konti pag-akyat.
May nag-hike?
Hike na. Diretso lang, diretso. Ang taas natin, pare.
Bubong sa kanan.
Ingat sa bubong sa kanan.
Okay, Al, Mark, and IC is gone. We can't contact them on our radio, so we're a little bit worried because the trucks is really
Albrecht, status natin Albrecht.
it's really hard.
Gusto mo ka lang magtakala.
It's like this all the way.
Oo, hindi ko binibitawan. Segundo lang.
Sobrang bagal lang.
Kilo kayo? Albrecht status, Albrecht. Static lang bro.
Kala ko ba easy lang yung trail na to?
Uy, pero malamig.
Easy to boy.
The camera can see the scenery here, but it's pitch black in the camera, but in person it's very nice. You can see the whole Metro Manila up here. It's so beautiful.
Ano na ba to? Start pa lang ba to?
Medyo malayo pa eh.
Parang ano eh, midway pa lang tayo eh.
Midway pa lang. Midway na din yung heart ko pare.
So, medyo kinabahan kami sa inyo kasi ano eh.
Albrecht.
Nakita mo yung ano, yung kalye kanina. Grabe, 'di ba? Ang lalalim.
Bro,
nawala na ako traction pare.
Dumudulas ka na.
Dumulas ako, buti kumapit na.
Pero nakita mo dumudulas na rin si Joe.
Oo, hindi kaya nga yun yung sinisip. Narinig niyo ba sigaw ko?
Hindi.
Kailangan ko ng buwelo. Kailangan ko ng buwelo.
Mark is here already. I can see shit.
Okay nangangamoy.
We're still looking for Kim and Albrecht.
Tara, babayan si Albrecht.
Okay, so we're gonna go down.
Nakusap mo ba?
Hindi pa.
Nakusap ng hikers. Sabi ng hikers, sasakta yung mga kasama natin.
Okay.
So, ngayon babayin natin sila para malaman yung status nila. So, tatlo na nasa taas. 2 down.
Nakakamoy clutch na yung kay Mark.
Nangangamoy clutch na
Or goma yun. Okay, so Kim is incoming. Here's Kim. Go bro, go bro. Go lang, sige. Go bro. Go bro, go bro. Kim is already here, Albie's here. Wild. The pickups is jumping, literally jumping. So I'm moving my light so I really can't see anything. I'm scared that there might be a snake here. So intense. This is intense.
Okay lang kayo.
Bro, okay lang pare.
Wala, ang takit ako. Si Marky yung nahihirapan.
Di, layo konti.
This shit is scary as fuck. I can't see anything. So Mark is currently stuck, but he's going for it. Go, go, go!
S! Pa-S! Huwag diretso! Oh! Kasi bigla yan, gano'n. Maganto ka, oh. Maganto.
Ganto ka oh. Diretso to. Gas ka. Cut. Yan ano? Pasok mo agad dito.
Pahinga muna.
Kaya. Ganun ha. Bag. Pasok mo agad doon sa car. Ayan. Sabari.
This is the Fall Winter 19 collection, Street Savage Club 40.
Kanan! Aray! Kaliwa! Kanan!
Yes!
Kanan!
Wala na akong power, di ako makaliko.
Okay.
So we are still stuck. Mark is still having problems going up. It's because of the rocks. It's so slippery. So there are 2 cars still waiting. Bro, kamusta?
Solid bro, commit lang. Feel ko bro, itong inakit natin, first time ko lang kasi dito eh. So feel ko itong inakit natin hindi to yung safe. Yung pinapanood ko kasing videos bro, parang yung pinasukan natin kanina parang school.
Oo.
Tapos after nun, ruts na lang eh, walang ganitong bato.
Ang lalalim ng bato, no?
Ay sorry, nag-curse ako bro.
Okay lagi. Ang lalalim ng bato, bro.
Lalim bro, malalim, medyo wild to. Hindi ko alam kung ito talaga. Solid bro.
Nakakatakot, bro. Sobrang dilim.
Basta dito, start dito, bumondo ka na kagad, bumuelo ka na. Okay. Buelo ka na dito bro, wag ka nang tumigil, hanapin mo lang yung good spot. Kung may makikita ka buhay na, pwede, sige. Kung may makikita kang buhay na bato bro, iwasan mo lang, yun yung magpapalose ng traction sa'yo.
Bro, what's buhay na ba to? Is it moving?
Yun yung ano, I think bro, loose rocks.
Okay.
Pare!
Grabe. Sobra.
Easy.
Lumipad yung kotse mo.
Oo. Kaya yan.
Wild. Oh my god, they all left. All the cars is already on the top and I'm left alone here in the total darkness. Kim is still down, but he's already going up now to pick me up. I'm really scared. It's so dark here, so I'm so tired, and my phone also got wrecked. There's a lot of flying stones here because of the rigs going up, and I'm the luckiest person it hit my phone, so yeah. Kim is going up. I'm scared if there's snakes here. I don't know. Kim is going up now. Go! I'm gonna go up first. They're all in the top. I'm left here alone. Well, I'm gonna use the lights for me to walk. Okay. We finally made it.
Solid yung mga nagtitrend to.
Yeah. There's also other people. I think there are Land Cruiser Club who are camping here at the peak of Mount Balagbag. Joey's car. With their good t-shirt, it's still available. IC's car, this car I am so proud of this car. This car made it at the peak. It's a 4x2 Hilux with nice suspension and nice tires. Bro, I'm so proud of you. That was
Thanks,
tough.
bro.
It was a tough
I'm
one.
nervous.
That was a tough one.
Ala bracket.
We finally made it. After how many hours of trying?
How many hours? Ako naglakad lang.
Survive, survive. Go.
Buti pa sila, tayo squatter lang kami dito.
This is Kim's car. This is also a 4x2 Hilux, but it made it the top of Mount Balagbag.
Tabi ako sa'yo, Al.
Okay na ako dito.
Dito sagad ko rin sa doon.
There's the other group. It's a Land Cruiser club, I think. So we made it finally. What can you say? It was a tough one.
Intense, bro. Hindi namin expect.
Solid pare, solid.
Hindi ka nahirapan?
Nahirapan bro. Hindi ganito in-expect pare. Kakalabas lang sa shop.
You go, bro.
Ito na yung peak, bro.
Solid. Congrats. Sulit yung mga binayad nyo sa kay Raggar Drugs.
Next week, palit na wala.
Sulit.
Palit pang ilalim na bukas.
Ilang days ka pa lang? Ilang days pa lang?
3
days.
Paolo.
3 days later.
Alcohol.
Isipin mo pare, dapat pagkalabas
Guys, this is an off-road shoes.
Nabuhay siya.
Wala pang
Nabuhay siya, bro.
Dapat tabas yun.
Cheers bro.
Celebratory drink.
Si IC, si IC.
I see.
Bro.
Cheers. Celebratory drink. Nice one. Cheers mo dito. Congrats, bro. We're now going down at Mount Balagbag after we balagbag our cars, and we don't know what will happen tomorrow. So okay.
Doon mo malaman kung may basag yung pang-ilalim.
So bala na bukas kung anong sira ng mga kotse nila. So ano masasabi nyo sa night trail natin?
Alamay.
Malamig. So that's a wrap. Thank you
Ngayon
for
na lang
watching.
ulit inaya ng Buzzhype. Matagal ako binan. Cut.
I see, do the honor.
Alright bro. Kita-kits.
We have a crazy friend. He really flexed this rig. He's really crazy.
Flames out of thing down to the floor. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, it's celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going up, that's why they call me no ignore. But you could call me Norte. In a 911, pull off in a Porsche. I ain't never losing sleep from what these hoes say. Just get my good side.